यशोदानन्दना व्रज जनरञ्जना
यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना
यशोदानन्दना व्रज जनरञ्जना
यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना
यमुनातीरावनचारि जय राजा Sripad Paramahamsa Priyajigacharya Shtotra Satat Shri Srimad Divine Grace Avai Charanaravindra Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai Prabhupada.
Acharya Srila Prabhupada ki Ananta Kodi Vaishnava Vrinda ki Sakavo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur ki Srila Prabhupada ki Prabhupada Nunga ki Samarita Bhakta Vrinda ki Nittai Gaur Premanande. All glories to Simul Devotees, all glories to Simul Devotees, all glories to Simul Devotees, all glories to Shri Shri Guru Nityananda Shri Prabhupada.
सब कोई अपना फोन ऑफ कर दो या साइलेंट पे कर दो।
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथं विदं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं राधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च नमा ॐ विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So I speak in mix of
English, yeah. Hindi and English. Hindi and English.
Hindi and English. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Happy to be here in Nausori. In Nausori. Nausori भक्त वृंद से मिलके संघ में बहुत खुश हूँ मैं। आते वक्त प्रभु जी ने बताया कि यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा घटना हुआ था बहुत साल पहले और यहाँ पर एक बड़ा क्या बड़ी से शिप जहाज इसमें चले गए और बहुत लोग मर गए हमारे इंडिया के लोग और यहाँ पर उनका कुछ मेमोरियल है। एक्चुअली बहुत लोग मर रहे हैं हर दिन बहुत जगह में, सब लोग का मेमोरियल नहीं होता है। कोई ऐसे मेमोरियल बनते हैं उनके लिए उनके परिवार में, कोई नहीं जानता है ऐसे मरते हैं। हम जो जिंदगी में जीते हैं वो ऐसे ही नहीं मरने का है। भागवत में बताया कि you should not simply die like a dog, just like a dog's life. आहार निद्रा भय मैथुनम च सामान्येतत् पशुभिः मैदाना। हम जिंदगी में कुछ न कुछ जानना चाहिए कि हम कौन है, भगवान कौन है, हमारा रिश्तेदार क्या होती है और ये दुनिया क्या है, हम क्यों यहाँ पर आए हैं, क्या करने वाले हैं या करने का है, जीवन की लक्ष्य क्या है। ये सब जो जानेगा उसका मृत्यु साधारण मृत्यु नहीं होगा। हाँ? उसका मृत्यु साधारण मृत्यु नहीं होगा। भगवान बता रहे हैं भगवद गीता में कि जो ये जानकारी करेंगे, whoever tries to understand something about these things, then especially if he comes to the point of understanding Krishna, then Krishna is saying, I will personally come and take you back to Godhead. How nice it will be that on your death day, Krishna personally comes and takes you back to Godhead. So भागवत में ऐसी कहानी होती है जब भगवान स्वयं आते हैं, नहीं तो भगवान का व्हीकल आता है जो उनका वाहन है। भगवान का वाहन भगवान पर्सनली भिजाते हैं और आपको लेके वापस जाते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज मेंशन्ड इन द भगवद गीता, इन द भागवत ऑल्सो। भागवत में बहुत सारे कहानियां ऐसे हैं। ध्रुव महाराज के लिए भगवान ने वाहन भेजा, अजामिल के लिए भगवान ने वाहन भेजा। ऐसे जो देख पाएंगे उसके बारे में हम सुन सकते हैं। पुराण में बहुत कुछ, पुराण में ऐसे कहानियां हैं, भगवान स्वयं आके आपको वापस लेके जाएंगे, ऐसा होता है। जो हरिनाम बोलते हैं, जो भगवान के ऊपर विश्वास रखते हैं, जो भक्ति करते हैं, जो भगवत सेवा करते हैं, जो भगवत सेवा करते हैं, ऐसी प्रचार करते हैं, उनको बहुत बड़ी ऊंची तरफ की VVIP एग्जिट मिलता है। तो भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद ने उस तरीको हमको सिखाया, कैसे हैव अ रॉयल एग्जिट फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड। You can either have a royal exit or you can have Yamaraj exit. Yamaraj will come and give you a boot on the butt and take you out from here. Or by chanting Hare Krishna and becoming devotee, Krishna will come and take you. Which exit do you want? कैसा exit आपको चाहिए? आपको यमराज का exit चाहिए? यमराज आके आपको खींच के लेके जाएंगे, यमदूत लोग आके खींच के लेके जाएंगे, कि भगवान कृष्ण आपको आके वैकुंठा ट्रैवल्स एयरलाइंस में लेके जाएंगे आपको। कौन सा चाहते हैं आप? यमराज एयरलाइंस चाहते हैं कि वैकुंठा एयरलाइंस चाहते हैं?
वैकुंठा एयरलाइंस।
कितने लोग को यमराज का एयरलाइंस चाहिए? यमदूत एयरलाइंस किसी को नहीं चाहिए? No ifs and buts. किसको वैकुंठा एयरलाइंस चाहिए? अच्छा, मैं भी सोचता हूँ आप लोग वैकुंठ नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि आप लोग सब भक्त हैं, आपने हरिनाम बोलते हैं, आप हरिनाम बोलते हैं, तो उसके बाद आपको सब एग्जिट ऐसी लगा। तो ऐसी कहानियाँ बहुत कुछ होती है। आज मैं सोचता हूँ कुछ ऐसा कहानी आपको बताएं। बहुत तत्व आपने बहुत कुछ सुन लिया, बहुत हमने भी बता दिया, बात किया, तो हम सोचें कि ऐसी कहानियाँ अच्छी होती है सुनने का। आप कहानी पसंद करते हैं कि तत्व पसंद करते हैं?
कहानी में
Would
तत्व
you like
रहता
to
है।
hear a story or you like to hear tattva and philosophy? You want all mixed? Yeah. So एक होती है एग्जिट की कहानी, दूसरी होती है भक्ति की कहानी। भगवान के भक्त लोग से भिन्न भिन्न तरह की लीलाएं भगवान करते हैं। Don't show your back to the video. Either sit like this or sit like this. Yes. भिन्न भिन्न तरह की लीलाएं भगवान करते हैं उनके भक्त लोग के साथ, और बहुत अद्भुत लीलाएं भी होती है। कभी कभी हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं क्यों भगवान ने ऐसी की है। So there is a lot of wonderful stories in the Chaitanya Charitamrita of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's beautiful leela. You see, they were speaking about exit and death. There is a story of the dog going back to Godhead. You heard about it? Right? Shivananda Sena's dog went back to Godhead. Have you heard about that? No? You want to hear a story is very interesting. Shivananda Sena is a devotee of Lord Chaitanya. चैतन्य महाप्रभु के शिष्य थे, भक्त थे शिवानंद सेना। बहुत अच्छा हृदय था उनका। वो नवद्वीप से हर साल बहुत भक्त लोग को लेके जाते थे जगन्नाथपुरी रथ यात्रा में चैतन्य महाप्रभु के साथ रहने के लिए। तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु यहाँ से नवद्वीप से आ गए हैं पुरी में, और उनकी माँ सची माता ने बताया कि चलो संन्यास ले लिया, हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे उसके विपरीत, लेकिन हम ये चाहते हैं कि it's echoing and it will have this feedback. हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप पूरी में रहें, तो हम देख पाएंगे आपको कभी कभी। Don't go away somewhere, I want to see you, so you be in Puri. So he agreed to his mother's wish. So he was in Puri. तो नवद्वीप से सब लोग भक्त लोग उनको देखने के लिए हर साल जाते थे। तो शिवानंद सेना यात्रा का लीडर था, सबको लेके जाते थे। किसी को पैसा है हाथ में, किसी को पैसा नहीं है, किसी बूढ़े हैं, कोई ऐसे हैं वैसे हैं, सबके लिए जो कुछ भी संविधान चाहिए वो करते थे। To make all arrangements for everybody. We sponsor some people will get sponsored by somebody, and we will take everybody aboard. In this way, he was going on a big yatra once. One dog was also coming. I said, this dog is devotee. ये तो साधारण कुत्ता नहीं, ये वैष्णव है, ये भक्त है। तो वो कुत्ते के लिए जो कुछ भी चाहिए प्रसाद, मेक अरेंजमेंट प्रसाद, उनको रहने के लिए एक जगह, रात में सोने के लिए। Shivananda Sena took care of the dog because he is a devotee. Like this, he took care of the dog, and the dog was coming with him. One fine day, the dog disappeared. So he said, "Where is the dog?" सब लोग ने प्रसाद कुत्ते के लिए 2 times charge I will give. And he said, "अच्छा, ठीक है." He was an Indian businessman. वो ना वाला. So he said, "Okay." करे थे ऐसा, और वो कुत्ता चढ़ के पक्ष बोल के पकड़ रहा था। चैतन्य महाप्रभु का महाप्रसाद उनको डायरेक्ट मिला कुत्ते को। So this way Lord Chaitanya already recognizing that dog as a devotee, and Shivananda Sena दिया चैतन्य महाप्रभु, क्योंकि वो कुत्ता पूरा प्योर डिवोटी शुद्ध भक्त बन गया। चैतन्य महाप्रभु के संग में वो भक्त बन के वैकुंठ गोलोक वृंदावन जा सकते हैं। यही तो है भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद का प्रस्ताव, सबको वैकुंठ भेजने के लिए। ये कोई साधारण ऐसा मूवमेंट नहीं। जो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है परिवार में और राजा का जो कुछ भी हेल्थ का काम है, सब मुकुंद देखते थे, बहुत अच्छा देखते थे। वो सब फिजिशियन का परंपरा में आते थे, उनका चाचा भी ऐसा था, उनका पिताजी भी ऐसा था, उनका परंपरा में सब लोग डॉक्टर है। तो ऐसे डॉक्टर थे, लेकिन वो भी बहुत बड़ा भक्त थे। मयूर का वो जो टुकड़ का फेदर है उससे बनवाया। तो वो सेवक जो है राजा का, वो मयूर का वो पंखा से ऐसा राजा का फैनिंग करता था। तब मुकुंद ने राजा के साथ बल्कि वो जब राजा के साथ बैठे थे वहां से गिर गए नीचे, क्योंकि became in great ecstasy of thinking about Krishna and rolled down the steps and fell down, बाढ़ बोल के नीचे गिर गए। तो डॉक्टर राजा मुस्लिम राजा थे, लेकिन उन्होंने सोचा क्या हुआ, something about this fellow. He's a nice man, but something about him he understood. This way Mukunda was an ecstatic, wonderful devotee. घर में वो छोटा विग्रह कृष्ण का विग्रह को पूजा करते थे, हर रोज बहुत अच्छा पूजा करते थे। ठाकुर उनका बच्चा के साथ चैतन्य बाबू को देखने के लिए आया। तो चैतन्य बाबू ऐसी प्रश्न पूछी जो कोई नहीं पूछा है अभी तक। He asked a question when he saw Mukunda and his son. वो पूछा, मुकुंद ने बताया ये है हमारा पिता। रघुनंदन को बता के, उसका पुत्र को बताया कि ये है हमारा पिताजी, हम उसका पुत्र है। तो चैतन्य बाबू ने बताया करेक्ट। ऐसा हुआ। चैतन्य बाबू जानते हैं घर में क्या हुआ लीला, इसलिए तो उन्होंने बताया कि करेक्ट है, ये है आपका पिताजी। घर में क्या हुआ, एक दिन नैवेद्य जो ऑफरिंग कर रहे थे, प्रिपरेशन, तो आज से तुम्हारा ट्रेनिंग चालू। और पत्नी से बताया कि इनको ट्रेनिंग थोड़ा जो कुछ भी है उनको ऑफरिंग उनको दे दो, बोल दो मैंने बताया इसको कैसा करने का है, वो कर लेगा। हम अर्जन जा रहे हैं, बाद में आके हम ऑफरिंग कराएंगे, प्रसाद कराएंगे, ऐसे बोलते जाएंगे। वही है ऑफरिंग। हमारे पिताजी ने बहुत सारी बार हमसे बताया कि ऐसा होता है। So he thought that God will come and he will take offering. तो कुछ देर बाद he started saying, Krishna, why are you not coming and eating? I know you like my father. अरे भगवान के हाथ से हमको मिल रहे तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं खाएंगे? तो वो भी खा लें। तो ऐसा दिया, ऐसे भी खाया, ऐसे दिया, ऐसे भी किया। भगवान ने रघुनंदन के मुंह के ऊपर से प्रसाद ऐसा होता था, खाने लगा। वो अच्छा छोटा भी है, छोटा बच्चा है, तो वो खाने लगा और खाने के बाद इतना खुश हुआ। खाते अच्छा इतना अच्छा है ऑफरिंग, हर दिन मैं करूँगा ऑफरिंग, ऐसे कुछ प्लान किया तो। लेकिन माँ ने देखा, क्या किया तूने? कुछ बातचीत नहीं किया, क्योंकि वो कुछ गड़बड़ किया, अंदर जाके खा लिया तो सबको। नहीं वैसा तो नहीं करेगा मेरा बेटा, वो अच्छा ट्रेनिंग में। तो सोचे ऐसा सोच में पड़ गए हैं माता जी, लेकिन कुछ नहीं, बात नहीं किया। She didn't speak anything. She said, okay, give it here. Did you clean inside? Yes, I'm cleaning. Clean करके he was dazed. I saw Krishna fed me. He was very happy. Did not tell the mother. But he thought this is how everyday offering happens. My mother knows. So he went and he cleaned his mouth and ate everything. And then he was so thrilled, he was washing his hands and legs. Father came and said, very sorry, bring the offering. हमको खाने का है, offering लेके आओ। So wife ने बताया, क्या? Don't say anything, come here. बोल के ऐसा हुआ। He came outside, all prasadam on his face, but no prasadam in the plate. I don't want to conclude anything because he is also a very nice boy, very nice devotee. So father also did not say anything. कुछ होगा इसमें, क्योंकि हमारा बच्चा कभी ऐसे नहीं करेगा. He will not eat God's offering. So he said, make some more laddu, meat laddu. I want to see what he's offering. हमको देखना चाहते हैं, हम देखना चाहते हैं कैसा ऑफरिंग होता है, अंदर क्या कर रहा है. So he wanted to see. So his wife again made offering. They are very cultured, very sophisticated. Did not scold the son at all. Did not ask any questions to the son. Simply made another offering. हम स्वयं देखेंगे क्या कर रहे हैं. तो अच्छा लड्डू बनाया, जल्दी लड्डू बनाया और रघुनंदन को बताया, और एक बार ऑफरिंग करेंगे, हमको और कुछ काम है, टायर्ड है, हम करूँगा, हम करेंगे बोल के बहुत उत्साह से. तो उनका पिता जो है बहुत एंथुसियास्टिक है ऑफरिंग करने में. शायद क्या और एक बार अंदर जाके खाएंगे, ऐसे क्या है बोल के ऑफर करो, अंदर भेजा सब उस दिन ऑफरिंग. सो वहाँ से देखा, वो खिड़की से पिताजी देखना, वहाँ से देखते थे क्या कर रहे हैं ऑफरिंग. आचमन किया, वो पहुँच लिया वहाँ पर, ऑफरिंग ऊपर रखा है, उसके बाद मंत्र सब किया है, सब कुछ ठीक है, और उसके बाद बोलना लगा, कृष्णा लड्डू आके ले लो, लड्डू बहुत अच्छा है, माँ ने बनाई, आके ले लो लड्डू। So Krishna came because with so much affection and love, he's telling, come and eat the laddu. So भगवान आए और एक बार और लड्डू को खाए ऐसा। खाते वक्त उन्होंने देखा से खिड़की से देख रहे हैं, कौन? पिताजी देख रहे हैं, लड्डू को एकदम छोड़ के चले गए। Half eaten laddu he left there and top he disappeared. Krishna. Why? He seen. He never got this type of opportunity. Pidaji ko, he never got this type of opportunity. So he saw Krishna actually coming and eating. And then the boy came out with the offering, half-eaten laddu. Mukunda just grabbed my son. What I thought about you. And he embraced her and started crying. His wife also came. And then he told us what I saw. And this boy standing like that and saying, Papa, Krishna came and ate the laddu. This is for you, Prasad. Eaten laddu half. Father started crying. This has never happened to me. This has never happened to me because I don't have faith that Krishna comes and eats the prasadam. But he has faith and Krishna has come. You have taught me something new today. आइंदा से हम ऑफरिंग ऐसी करेंगे, ऐसी भाव में करेंगे कि भगवान स्वयं आते हैं और प्रसाद को भोग को खाते हैं. I shall, that is why that happened, and he took his son. I want you to come with me to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu बोला, कौन पिता है, कौन पुत्र है? तब पूछा तो बताइए, ये मेरा पिताजी. रघुनंदन को बता के ये है मेरा पिता. Right? So that is why one who gives you Krishna consciousness, one who shows you the way to Krishna Bhakti, he is superior to you. You should be accepted as Guru. You should be accepted as my father. You should be accepted as my guide, as my mentor, as my counselor. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said it could be anybody. It could be your son also can be your Guru. Why not? Because he showed you the way to Krishna. Right? He showed you the way to Krishna. In this way, we are very grateful to all of our senior devotees who have given us Krishna consciousness, helped us to do seva for Krishna, and shown us the right way. This is the way to do seva. This is the way to become a devotee. We are always very grateful. We should remain very grateful to them. Shishi Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki Jai. This way we can learn that bhakti is so supreme. Krishna does not matter, for him it does not matter how nice it is. What matters for him is उसमें भक्ति है कि नहीं. मैंने तेल लगाया, मैंने घी लगाया, मैंने बेसिन पाउडर लगाया, मैंने कैप्सिकम लगाया, मैंने डालो लगाया, दारू का लगाया, उससे मसाला जो गई वो खाए, वो उनका उच्छिष्ट था. लेकिन वो भक्ति से वो निकाल के रखे पका वाला रामचंद्र भगवान के लिए, तो वो पूरा भक्ति से निकाल के रखे हैं, तो इसलिए तो भगवान ने वो खाया. ऐसी विदुर के घर में कृष्ण ने आया. दुर्योधना he planned to catch hold of Krishna and imprison him. पहला कृष्ण को बताया कि my whole palace is for you. आज का बोर्डिंग लॉजिंग सब यहाँ पर कहेंगे आप. कहाँ पर? हमारे पैलेस में. मैंने वेकेट कर लिया, पूरा महल आपके लिए है. तो कृष्ण ने बताया नहीं चाहिए आपको ईट को खुदाइए. आपने पकाया ना, तो हम नहीं खाएंगे. और वहां पर छोड़ के चले गए विदुर के घर. विदुर शूद्रनी का पुत्र है, वो लोग 3. तभी वो जाने की, अशु मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं केला को फेंक के चिलका को दे दिया, माय गॉश, बहुत बड़ा अपराध किया। कृष्ण स्माइलिंग, नो, वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी फुल। आई एट पत्रम फलम तोयम पुष्पम यो मे भक्त्या प्रजति तदहम अश्नामि प्रयतात्मना। If you give me flower, fruit, water, will I eat it? No. Very nice, thank you. I smell it. Krishna is saying, I will eat it. If you give me flower, I will eat it. Why? Because it is full of devotion. It's full of devotion. This is the meaning of bhakti. Natural to every soul. Everybody can offer to Krishna in devotion. And Krishna is waiting for that. Krishna is waiting to taste that little devotion that you have. Even little devotion you have also, Krishna will come to taste. That's why he is called Krishna. Young Nimai Pandit. Nimai Pandit will go to the market, to the shop of Kolobecha Sridhar. Sridhar, very wonderful. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. हम जब कर सकते हैं। तो बारिश थोड़ा आगे तो ज़्यादा बारिश आ गई तो पानी निकाल देना, हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा। तो क्या है, तो क्या है, हम जब कर सकते हैं। सो उनके घर में जो व्हाट यू से दैट कोला का पेड़, ट्रीज ऑफ बनाना ही उस पर बैकअप 20 कप बनाते हैं, वो मार्केट में बेचते हैं। उसको कोई नहीं कर ही रहे, सबके घर में सब लोग कप कर रहे हैं, और थोड़ा कोला का बंच लेके वहाँ रखेंगे। उतना ही उनका बिजनेस ज़्यादा है नहीं, कुछ मिलेगा तो ठीक है। सो ही वाज सेलिंग मोस्टली वेरी स्मॉल शॉप, और लोगों का बहुत बड़ा दुकान है, सब कुछ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रोसरी सब। He will come there and harass Sridhar. He will tell Sridhar, you are very rich, you are making lot of money. उनसे बता दे कि बहुत अमीर हो तुम, बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस आदमी हो, इतना पैसा बनाया तुमने। हम ब्राह्मण हैं, ब्राह्मण आएगा, I want to take something from you. I have come for that. But he is acting, give me this, I am Brahma. I keep arguing. How much is this you are selling for? I am selling for 3 annas this one. Very costly. 3 annas means you are making 2 annas. And every day you are selling so much. I have so much with you. Give this free to me. So, okay, he is growing on the top. तो 2 हफ्ता के बाद वो बड़ा हो गया। वो जब बड़ा होगा तो सी वो घर के ऊपर है ना स्क्वाश, वो हमको चाहिए। सिर्फ चाहिए नहीं, like this, he forced him, and then he made the sweet and gave him, please don't come here. No, I like to come. In this way, because he had bhakti, devotion, like that. So in this way, out of devotion, Sridhar and Lord Chaitanya was very attached to each other. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he did Harinam Sankirtan, very sweet, and he drank the water. Whatever in Sridhar's place, I want that only. I want to stay in Sridhar's house only. I want to drink from his pot only. I'll go to the market and if you offer to the Lord, whatever you have, with devotion, He will be with you. In the Bhagavatam, you will see the description of Krishna going simultaneously to Bahulashva, the king. So he said, I'm coming to your house. So he is coming to the house. From there, Sudadeva saw Krishna is coming with the rishis and sages to my house. So kaise reception kiya? Bahar khada hua, और he took out his chadar and he said, Krishna, Krishna. Right? So these are all stories of bhakti. You must have heard of them before, you must have read them. I want to tell you something which you have not read and heard. Before we leave, so You want to hear something new?
Yes.
Why? All this is old. Bhakti can never become old. Bhakti can never become old. So, he shown me this thing, very less time. Please, you have to go back. So, I will tell a short story. I told the youth story about Guruvayur Krishna and about the elephant. So, I will continue so that they will connect there. Same Guruvayurappan story I want to tell. Guruvayur Krishna has so many stories of devotees. You see, sometimes we wonder, so many people coming and praying to the Lord in the temple. In front, we don't know what each one is praying there. My son should get admission in this nice university. This business contract should come through Krishna, then I will give you 10% commission, donation. People are praying so many things, right? Everybody has lots of prayers. We don't know. And Krishna is hearing all these prayers. And if it is devotee, Krishna sometimes will reciprocate. Okay, this is what you want. Sometimes he will reciprocate. If it is a non-devotee also, sometimes Krishna will reciprocate. Oh, you devotee ban jayega. So we don't know Krishna's plan. So many people coming and praying in the temple, we don't know. Sometimes I see that in our temple in the South India, they come regularly. Some people are coming and praying. What happened? No, I prayed like this and it happened successfully. So I'm coming every week to the temple and I'm going donation because I am having relationship. I've got more prayer now. We don't know what they're praying. So a lot of people used to come to Guruvayur Krishna and pray. So many great devotees in the past. So this is a story about two common people also praying. But something is happening inside. We don't know. We go, we see many people praying, we go. We don't know each one's story. But their story, one simple man. Jada chalaki nahi, jada buddhi nahi. So at home, his wife is always saying, "You're not having any work to do. Why don't you get a job? We have children. I have house." Don't worry. Every day I'm bringing some money. You should be happy. You don't become this. I am a great devotee. Every day he has no job, he will go to the temple. And for pilgrims, he will do a different seva. I will buy prasadam for you and give you. I will make arrangement for your darshan. I will make this, some bakshish you give me. Like that he is getting. People give, okay, he'll keep 10 rupees, 5 rupees, like that. So he will collect like that whole day and come and give the wife in the night. Here, for tomorrow. Go to sleep. Then she will say, see, this type of thing is not enough. Wives will always say that, no, I want more money. Because your daughter has to get married now. Every day you bring some little money, it is not enough for doing marriage. You have to bring big money. Then only we can do the marriage. So please leave me today, I am very tired. Like that every day she was sitting, one fine day she began, listen, look at your daughter. Marriageable age. Have to get married. You have to bring money. You have to get a job. You have to give money. So he's a very simple man. So he became very worried. So he went and prayed to Krishna. Guruvayurappa, my wife is asking me this. She is also a nice lady. She's serving me for so long. She's a nice lady. But what she's saying is correct. I need big money. But I am managing. I am a simple person. I am not asking for anything big. But what to do? My daughter has to get married. What to do? Please you help me. So every day he was praying. Every day wife is shouting, did you do something? Did you get job? No, please tomorrow. Because he knows only Guruvayurappan Krishna. I am praying to him. Like this one prayer going on. Another prayer going on. Very rich man. Nambudiri Brahmana. Very conjuice Marwadi number one. Will not give one paisa to everybody. Even to God he will not give money. But he got rheumatism. Very bad bones, all problem. And so he taking treatment, special IV treatment, oil, everything. Very rich man. So there are 2-3 doctors coming together in this thing. So he told Guruvayurappa, Krishna, every day I am putting 1 rupee for you in special hundi. If this become all right, I'll come and give you that. If it take 30 days to become all right, you'll get 30 rupees. Good. This treatment he told me will take 1 month. So every day I am putting, please make this disease all right. I am your devotee. I will give you 30 rupees. Hundi. Har din, ek rupee ka. Those days 30 rupees was very big money. So the Lord also reciprocating to him. 30 days over. Now he wants to take that small bag full 1 rupee in that. He wants to give it to Guruvayurappa. 30 rupees I am giving to Guruvayurappa. My gosh, big contribution. I hope my disease will go. This is going to happen. 2 different devotees. So now this devotee, poor devotee, every day praying, my daughter's marriage, my wife is asking me, what should I do? One day Guruvayurappa came in his dream and told, my dear devotee, why are you worried? I will make arrangement for money for your daughter's wedding. You don't know. He told one day. He became very happy. To wife he told, you don't know, just you wait. You'll see what will happen. He said, what will happen? Where is the job? Where is the money? Don't keep on telling like this. No, you don't know. So next day, Guruvayurappa came in his dream again and told, you know, one rich Brahmana person will come. He will come with a bag full of money to give it to me. He will come here near the pond and he will first take massage and take bath. That time you just go there and take the bag and go. That is for you, for your daughter's marriage. Guruvayurappa came and told in the dream, you take that money. So he got up in the morning and said, what dream? I am supposed to steal the money. Yeah, I am going mad, I think. I am praying to the Lord, money, and the dream is coming like this, made up by me only. Some crazy thing is happening to me. ऐसा सब सपना आ रहा है हमको. बहुत बड़ा डर है. और एक बार बुरे I'm getting all these funny dreams. Please. The same day the Lord came again and told, it is not funny dream. I am only telling you that money is yours. You take it. He's coming tomorrow. Oh gosh. I made a mistake praying to Guruvayurappa. He is asking me to steal. How can I steal? Again the Lord gave the dream. It is not stealing, it is my money, you take it. If it falls in the hundi, you cannot take it. It go to the management. So before it falls in the hundi, you take it. This man will go put in the hundi. Afterwards, I can't give it to you. You understand? Oh, okay. He got up next morning and he told his wife, I'm praying. Today I will get some money, I think. What? You are simply praying, nothing happening. You and your prayer, useless. He told, and then he went to the temple. He went near the pond. Slowly he looked into the wall and from there, look, he's sleeping there. That man is sleeping. It's true. Then he saw again, here the big bag is there next to him. He's a very confused fellow. Even while taking massage, he's keeping the bag near. He doesn't trust anybody. His assistant, nobody. He's giving the money to him next to me. Touching my shoulder, the money is giving. And I am supposed to take this and go. So he went quietly down. And then Krishna, save me. Only because of you I am doing this. He just went and took the money and ran out running. This confused man, my money is taking, catch him. Nobody understood. What? My money is taking, catching him. He's taken my money. Nobody understood. You fools. He got up and he started running behind that man. Started running and chased the man. Went, oh my gosh, he's coming behind me. Went off inside the temple. Guruvayurappa, you told me. He's coming behind me now. He started running in the temple ground. Yani Kani, Chapa Pani. He started running inside. Pradakshina. Should he save me? Guruvayurappa, Krishna. And having the money in the hand. Everybody is watching. What happened? This man is put oil in his body, he's chasing it with a small jetty in his my money. And this is running with this. Then this man became tired, this Brahmana Kanjus. He came in front of the Lord and said, very bad, very unfair. He's taken the money that I'm supposed to give you. If I don't give you the money, my disease will not become over. And I have done sankalpa that I'll give you the money. Why this is happening? So, voice came from the Lord. My dear Brahmana, why are you worried? You brought it for me. I have accepted it. I have accepted it. You are already cured. See, you ran. You were not even able to walk to the toilet. How did you run behind? Oh, he ran. Money means he ran. But he's all right. His body became all right. No more arthritis, everything. He said, yes, correct. How did I run? You have become all right. Don't worry about that money. I have accepted that money. You don't worry. It is taken by me only. Okay. Thank you. That devotee went round. He saw this man speaking something. He went outside, took it home, took the money home, gave it to his wife and said, I am not going to the temple anymore. Keep the daughter's marriage karo, jaldi. This story is written in the Sala Purana where actually happened. So Krishna relates with his devotees even for their material requirements. Because he's devotee. And he needs it. So sometimes even material requirements Krishna is providing. Shri Krishna Bhagavan ki Shri Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai ki Shri Gaur Nitai ki Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hare Krishna. Om Tat Sat. No questions. Only story. They will take prasadam. It's very late. It's 8:40.
There's some prasadam for you tomorrow. His Holiness Bhakti Vinod Swami Maharaj ki jai, Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. Hare
He's my father. He's my father.
Maharaj, Hare Krishna Maharaj. This is a Bhagavatam set Rohini Sutta Prabhu has purchased, so we'd like you to present to Rohini Sutta. Hare Krishna.
Rohini Sutta Prabhu ki jai. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. Okay, so we can